Gravel road, I'm filled with promises. Truth is hard to bear, sometimes I'm told. Hope builds up as we grow old. Gravel road, send me an extra hello. Your whispers at dawn are soft. Greeting morning's gentle touch. Oh, what glorious days.
Good morning, guys. I got myself a seat. It is Sunday morning. It's what, 8:15. We are at the sanctuary. Gonna take a walk this morning. 76 degrees. 76 degrees. The car ain't right.
Car's always right.
All right.
Tall grass branches, swans and ponds. Promises are fleeting thoughts. I merely connect the dots. Your whispers at dawn are soft. Greeting morning's gentle touch. Oh, what glorious days. Nature's meeting me with your.
What the heck? I'm like, is that a nest? No, I don't. You guys, it's shaded. It's the branch and the pine needles, but the rest of the trees kind of bare, and then it's like really weird. That's very strange. Wow. Huh? Are you just gonna stay on the boardwalk?
Your whispers at dawn are soft. Greeting morning's gentle touch. Oh, what glorious days. Nature's meeting me with your grace. Your whispers at dawn are soft.
So you may ask, why haven't I walked here before? Actually, I have. Probably in the spring. In the summertime, it's horrid in here. The horseflies chase you and bite you, and yeah, so not a good thing. So the weather broke yesterday, so although it's starting to get hot already, so yeah, we're just gonna walk for a little bit, and I don't know what we have planned for today.
Gravel road, I'm filled with promises. Truth is hard to bear, sometimes I'm told. Hope builds up as we grow old. Gravel road, send me an extra hello.
Realizing now that we haven't been here in a long time, this whole section they replaced because last year from the hurricane it got damaged, and now I'm remembering they've had it closed off. You couldn't walk because at least the boardwalk part, the walking trails you could do, but not the boardwalk part. Look, this is all new wood. They had to replace all that. You can see some trees down. That was last year. What was that, Hurricane Irma, honey? I'm a hot mess, and it is 9:23. We started at about, what, 8:15? 8:30? And my phone says that we walked for 1.1 miles. I mean, we weren't consistently, or pretty much consistently walking the whole time. We stopped a little bit, but I don't know. It seems like we walked more than a mile. I could do a mile in like 20 minutes, so that would be 3 miles. I don't think that's right. I don't know what to do about that. Anyway, it's hot. We should have went a little earlier. It's hot now. It is 80 degrees, and yeah.
And the purple plant's got some purple on it.
I don't know what we have going on for the rest of the day.
Fun stuff.
Fun stuff. Cleaning the house. Grocery shopping. So hubby, I was resting, and hubby's out here busy, and he don't hear me because he's got his ear pods or whatever you call them in there. Earbuds. AirPods? Mm-hmm. Okay. Those things don't fit. He was going to buy me a pair, but those things don't fit in my ear. I have really small holes in my ears, and no earbuds fit in my ears. I don't know what to do. I'm going to have to buy a pair of headphones. That's small. That's not really what I was looking for in that area. A little small.
We can move it.
That'd be alright. Just not symmetrical. I have issues with it being symmetrical. So what else did you plant? Nothing yet?
The fern.
Where?
By the chair.
Fern by the chair. That's not a fern, that's a palm or something.
Whatever.
Alright, so you planted that. These are the plants that we got yesterday. And he still has a few plants out there in the wagon. Alright, I'm gonna get busy doing some housework, I guess. Okay, I got some coffee, and, yeah. Okay, I'm going to clean this up, just like that. Alright, there's a lot of clothes here, but I'm still using those. I wear them a second and third time sometimes. Because I just go out for a minute, and because I wear my comfort clothes around the house. I just need to do swish and swipe. It's nothing major, because last weekend, I remember I cleaned up real good, and I never finished my house cleaning. So I'm just gonna clean up real quick and be done. Okay, done. That took like 5 minutes. All done. Okay, much better. Honestly, that's the first time that my office got messy like that since I redid my room. If you want to see that series, I will put the link down below. It was like 10, 12 videos. I did the floor, new flooring. I already said that. New desk, new cabinets and stuff. These are from IKEA. So I still have some stuff to go through, like this paperwork, and there's some more papers here. So, but that's for another day. I'm going to come in here and organize. It needs to be reorganized, but everything is put back where it belongs, pretty much. Cleaned up the kids' table. I vacuumed. I didn't mop, so I'm gonna do like a real quick mop. All right, next camera. One day last week, I just cleaned up all of the paperwork, which you saw in the craft room a minute ago. Those bins under that craft table, yeah, I know, not a solution, but I just need to get them out of here. This room was annoying me, and I will deal with it when I feel like I can deal with it, all that paperwork. So that's just, I'm not real happy about it, but that's just what's going to be happening. So this room is clean. So I need to do a laundry room and some laundry. So that's all the paperwork I've gotten rid of so far. still hasn't made it to the well, I need to shred it. So that needs clean. Okay, I decided to take a little break. It is lunchtime. We didn't eat breakfast. We typically, sometimes we don't. Well, we'll have eggs for brunch. Again, I typically only eat twice a day now. So this is leftover spaghetti, and I'm having rice with it because I don't eat gluten and I don't like gluten-free pasta. So this is leftover from last night's spaghetti, sausage, hamburger, mushrooms, onions, green peppers, garlic, tomato sauce, you know, and rice. And I got my little thing of water here, this little cozy that I made, so I got water going. And I'm just going to put my feet up for a little bit and chillax. Maybe watch some YouTube, maybe edit my video a little bit. And, yeah, hubby is on the patio. I went out there and I'm like, yeah, I'm not going out there. It's disgusting. It's hot again. It's teasing us. One day hot, one day cool. Not fun. Okay, I forgot to show you what I got at the store the other day when I went shopping with my sister. I just got some fall paper. I'm going to make a banner out of it. You've seen me maybe do like the Valentine's banner. I made an Easter banner. What else did I make? Anyway, I'm going to make a banner. Wanted a hot roast for dinner. We haven't had that in a while. So I'm going to run to Publix and get that and just a few other things. I'm not going to do a full grocery run. So the only thing I didn't get done that I wanted to do was the kitchen. And hubby said he would unload the dishwasher for me. So I'm going to put the pot roast in the Cosori pressure cooker. You know, it's like an Instant Pot. I got that from Cosori. They sent that for me for a review. If you want to see that, I'll put a link down below. Plus, I'll show you, I think I might, during the review, I think I might have made a pot roast. So, anyway, I'll put the link down there for that. So, I don't really use it. Only for pot roast. I don't know. I don't really like to use it. There's only the two of us. I don't know. Pot roast is good because you had pot roast in the hour. Anyway, and it's pretty good. So, I'm going to do that. And, yeah. So, I think I've realized, well, at least for now, I think I've realized I can no longer do the whole monthly home, what do you call it? What am I calling it? Monthly home refresh. Because I started to do that last week and only got done like a third of the house, and I got a third of the house done today. So next weekend I'll do the other third. I still need to do the laundry room, which I might end up doing this week because it's messy and needs picked up. But I'm talking about more like deep cleaning. The laundry room, the guest bath, and the playroom, which needs very decluttered. I have let that go. I usually make the kids pick up when they leave, and I haven't been doing that. I'm making, actually, they have been, but I usually make them check behind them and make sure they put everything back correctly, and they have not been doing that. Or I go behind them and put it away, and I haven't been doing that. So to them it's picked up, to me it's not picked up. So I gotta, you know, deep clean that room, or deep declutter that room. So that will happen next weekend, I guess. I'm feeling pretty good. The part of my problem, whatever that may be, is the house has been weighing on me. And that's part of it just stifles me when it gets out of hand like that. So I'm starting to feel really good. So, yeah, the house looks good. You saw I put out a little bit of fall decor. So I don't know, this video is going to be kind of long, so I don't know how much more I'll add to it. Maybe I'll just show you the kitchen clean and our dinner, and kind of how I've been doing that the last couple of videos, doing just kind of like an outro with music and everything. I don't know why I need to explain that, but if you've been watching my videos, you get it. All right, going to Publix. Not gonna film there. You see me do that enough. Oh, also, side note is, I think this week I'm not gonna do any more vlogs. For this week, I want to do some other stuff. I'm kind of tired of doing the vlogs. So I wanted to do the 1-box challenge. Didn't do that. I want to do maybe an empties. I might do some tag videos. There is a collab video coming up on the 19th. When is that? Friday? It is a clean your closet challenge with Heidi Sambal. I don't know if I'll get around to doing that or not. Depends how I feel. I was feeling puffier earlier today. And then I laid down in the bed with hubby, and then I took a shower and I feel better. I feel pretty good. Not going to say normal, because I don't remember last time I felt normal. Anyway, I talked long enough. Sorry if this is long. Well, that's the other reason for wanting to do some other videos. It's so long. I hope y'all aren't minding it. I know you say you're not minding it, but